and welcome to Sorted Food. It's that time of year again when retailers are putting as much festivity into products as they possibly can. Sometimes that brings wondrous joy to the world, other times they just die hard. Oh! Either way, I've gone and bought a whole bunch of them, things that have intrigued us, and we're going to get our normals to taste test them, and then we're going to ask them, would you buy it?
He's never seen that film.
It's true, I haven't. Very violent, isn't it?
Can someone explain the pyjamas?
Oh, it's Christmas.
Christmas pyjamas.
Okay, cool,
mate.
wicked. Cool.
Category number 1, remove the blindfolds. It's crisps.
Crisps. Christmas.
Christmas. I feel like I've had all the flavours of crisps already, you know what I mean? There's so many out there.
Dozens.
Oh, lovely.
Guess the flavour.
Stuffing flavoured.
Yeah.
Try number B.
Number B.
Try letter B.
Well done.
Try number B.
Pigs in blankets?
Pigs in blankets.
Pigs in blankets.
It's a bit bacony.
Powdery meat. Yeah, bacony.
You could not be closer. This actually has cooked meat powder in it as an ingredient. Move on to C.
Salt and vinegary straight away in terms of a bit of a tang. But
More acidic. Tangy.
Pure gut feel, point to your favourite. If you could put one bowl out for your guests this Christmas in your household, which of those three would it be?
Mine would be these.
mine would be these.
Interesting, very
Yeah.
interesting. You're wrong. Oh, posh as well.
A was turkey and stuffing by Iceland. B was Iberico ham and fig from
Never.
Waitrose.
Is it?
Oh.
Okay, we'll go back
Okay,
to that. We did
okay.
say bacony.
Yeah.
Well, it has actually got cooked Iberico ham powder in it.
But shut up.
Yeah! Is Lidl's lobster cocktail.
Well, that is false advertising.
It has actual crustaceans in it.
They taste really nice.
Really nice.
But they don't taste like lobster.
So interestingly, the turkey and stuffing flavour, completely vegetarian and vegan, it's just all of the flavours you associate with turkey and stuffing.
I find that so amazing that that's possible. Like, most bacon crisps are vegan.
The middle one, the Iberico ham, does have meat in it, and the lobster cocktail does have crustaceans in it. But A, the turkey and stuffing, is actually vegetarian and is made in Scotland by Sally Taylor.
Oh, did not know she'd branched out that far.
Wow.
She lives on a farm with her husband James, and they grow
Taylor.
Lady Rosetta potatoes, and that's them.
She even looks like your mum.
Mummy?
Now we know that these are supposed to be the flavours. They give a hint towards those tastes, not necessarily those flavours. And even with the lobster, you go, okay, yeah, I can kind of get that it's quite lobstery. Either way, they're all tasty.
As it happens, the lobster cocktail, they are 79p a bag, turkey and stuffing, £1 a bag, and the Iberico ham and fig chutney crisps, £1.33. So they're all pretty similar, but actually, from cheapest to most expensive, they do double in price.
Seeing as it's a review video and it's that time of year, do we get to put like a Mike and Barry sorted stamp of approval for Christmas crisps?
Christmas crisp, stamp of approval.
So the sorted Christmas crisp stamp and seal of approval goes to Sally Taylor's turkey and stuffing crisps.
You're welcome, Mum.
Remove your blindfolds.
Oh, hello. Yes.
Oh,
Party's just started.
Merry
Very
Christmas.
exciting.
Ebbers
Okay.
is here.
A, B, and C, 3 festive offerings.
Oh, it's very sweet.
We've just served it over ice.
It's very sweet.
It's a liqueur.
citrusy.
I think it's vodka. Now, is it citrusy or is it this?
I don't know because
Someone's put a
that's
orange
in my
it.
nose when I
Yeah.
drink it and it's confusing.
What, I mean, he slapped.
I think it's orangey, clementine, like that type of thing. The type of thing that you would find at the bottom of your stocking.
Yes. It looks like a stout or a porter.
Cheers.
Oh, hang on a
Smells
second.
of chocolate instantly.
Yeah.
It's almost cream soda-y. I like that.
I quite like it.
It's fizzy.
I could have this much.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't want any more. Cheers.
Cheers.
I feel like this is sparkling wine with Ribena added in, so it's suitable for children.
Do you think? It's I feel like it's non-alcoholic.
It could be non-alcoholic, or it's like dangerously, imperceptibly alcoholic.
Yeah, it tastes very sweet, like a candy.
Yeah. Is snake bite like a Christmas flavour? Because it's kind of got that cider and...
Is it fancy snake bite?
Honestly, that is so accurate.
A is a clementine gin liqueur
Gin liqueur.
by M&S.
So close.
Now, you wouldn't have got it in the glass, but if you just tip it upside down, carefully, not that,
Right. Lid.
Oh, it's gold infused, is it?
and then tip it back up again, you got your snow globe, and if you push the button on the bottom,
What?
It's even better. That is good. I like that.
B
It's a porter.
is Sainsbury's Christmas Porter. So I chose a porter because of its proximity. Porter was kind of invented in Shoreditch. It's a very London-based thing, and this has got things like chocolate malt in it, but also all sorts of Christmas spices.
We got chocolate, didn't get like dark fruit, sweet plum.
It's like Sugar Plum Fairy meets dark chocolate. And C is also M&S's Let It Slow Fizz.
Slow gin.
Slow gin. Yes, that's exactly what it is. It is slow gin.
So it does have slow in it, but it also has strawberry, blackcurrant, blackberry and elderberry, mixed with white wine and then carbonated.
How alcoholic is it? 4%. Okay.
Nothing.
It's a lovely welcome drink.
Nothing. But
It's the sweetness and alcohol content of kind of a fruit cider.
Right, okay.
Quick run across the prices. The gin liqueur is £20 for the bottle. The porter is £1.80. And the slow gin fizz with all the other berries is £5 a bottle.
Oh,
Super cheap and cheerful.
that, I think they're all quite cheap and cheerful, actually. I think the gin liqueur, £20. You can get a decent bottle of gin for £20, but it won't light up.
Yeah, and like the Christmassy angle actually adds to it. It's not
Yeah.
just novelty for novelty's sake. Ebbers, we've made our decision. It's pretty obvious, but the sorted seal of approval for Christmas booze category goes to...
Let me prep it.
Oh, sorry. The snow globe bedtime lamp that's also delicious clementine gin.
Look here.
Liqueur.
Next for the main affair,
Oh, Ebbers, what are we doing?
turkey alternatives.
Oh, straight away. I've got a waft of salmon.
Take your blindfolds off. You've got A, B and C.
It's not.
It's not.
Oh no, it is.
Is it?
Yes,
What?
I'm here.
Oh, hang on a second. I thought there was 3 different things on this board. No, right.
Hello.
Let me have a look across.
Okay, sure.
Cheers.
Apple stuffing, pork to meat.
I have some of the outside on its own because I'm also getting citrus.
I'm
I'm getting like orangey.
orangey.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that.
I put apricot with pork stuffing.
I think fish is often associated perhaps more with Christmas Eve in this country, but around the world, fish is the main sort of centerpiece. And if you're not necessarily eating meat, white or red, then fish might be an option if you're a pescatarian.
The white fish is almost sandwiching a piece of salmon. Yeah, there's white fish either side of the salmon.
I have to say the cheesy sauce and the breadcrumbs is really great. I think this is a giant pig in blanket.
Yeah.
Tasty.
Really nice. You know, the ratio is not what I'm used to because usually you get a lot more bacon to sausage, but it's a very tasty sausage.
It tastes of meat, but I'm not sure whether it is because of the texture.
It's definitely meat. I just think it's been filled out.
It's bouncy.
And that little bit on a plate of lots of stuff I get, but not as the star of the show.
A is Lidl's 3-game bird.
That's embarrassing. I said turducken straight away, and then you said pork. I went, oh, no, you're right.
Duck breast, goose breast, guinea fowl breast, all rolled up with a pork, apricot and apple stuffing. You got that bit right. Wrapped.
That's not a victory. That is not a victory.
Wrapped in smoked streaky bacon and finished with a blood orange glaze.
I mean,
Yeah, that's definitely bird, isn't it?
Of course, if we're being really fancy, you could also roll it in the bacon, vat pack it, sous vide it to perfect, and then just like finish it in a really hot oven to keep that moisture in. That's being really chefy. This is exactly that. It's a very convenient hack that you can put in your centre table. There's a trend this year to putting 3 things together, because B is Iceland's 3 fish gratin with a white wine and cheddar sauce. It's got lots of flavours, all natural, like parsley, lovage, mace, nutmeg, smoked haddock, cod and salmon.
You've got 2 very strong flavoured fish fighting each other, and then quite a plain one on top, just for things work best in 3s.
Things work best in 3s. And genuinely, I think the sauce with it, so the cheddar, the white wine, they've got some parsnip in there, mace, nutmeg. These are really interesting flavours to pair with fish, and maybe that's something we can take. C is Asda's pig in blanket. If that's the best bit of the meal, why limit it to a side dish?
I get that, but I still think it's the side dish. I think you could buy the big schlong of it and then cut it like we have here and serve everyone 2 or 3 of those instead of multiple pigs in blankets.
And that's kind of what they suggest. That is 10 servings. Prime cuts of British pork.
That's simple to make at home with sausage meat, and you could therefore control the quality of your sausage meat.
And if you wanted, you could put some apricot and apple in it from A. Like this should all be about what can we do this year that's slightly different. Working A to C on price, these are all frozen items. A is £9.99. B is £7. And C is £5.
That is very cheap. That is ridiculously cheap for 3 birds.
With all of these supermarkets, they have their own quality assurances and promises across their entire range of where they source their meat from. It's all very transparent. We're gonna have to push you for a joint sorted stamp approval on the turkey alternative this year.
Out of the 3 products in front of us, none of them get a seal of approval. However, as concepts, we are prepared to split our seal of approval across 2 categories.
So formal.
2 concepts.
Yeah. As a replacement for turkey, I think that the bird trio takes it. But it's something that I'm gonna make at home, a pig in blanket.
Oh, what a lovely looking package. I wonder what it could be. Well, follow my la. It's only this year's sorted Christmas gift. That's 12-month subscription to our game-changing meal packs app, Sorted Food Apron, and choice of one of our cookbooks. And if that doesn't ding your dong merrily, we've only whacked a festive discount on the lot as well. There is very limited stock, so if you want one of these in time for Christmas, click the link below.
Final category, a little sweet treat to finish us off. Lift the blindfold.
Oh, okay. Oh, 3 very
good.
different sweet treats. Gingerbread. And like caramel. It's cinnamony, it's gingery, it's a bit spiced.
One of those Christmassy
Spiced.
spiced lattes you get.
Gingerbread latte popcorn. Move on to B.
Really dark chocolate.
It's nice dark chocolate. Is it nicer than sort of a decent bar that I would buy from a supermarket of like 70% dark chocolate, 75%? I'm not sure it is. Turkish Delight.
Oh, that's a good Turkish Delight.
It's got nuts in it, which you would associate with Turkish Delight. Look at it. Is it a pecan?
A is Christmas pudding popcorn.
No, it's not.
By the Popcorn Shed.
Bit sweet. Oh, I didn't know. Do you know what?
Oh, crap, it is, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That's a mince pie.
It's a mince pie.
So it is the fruit, the alcohol, all the spices you'd associate with Christmas pudding.
I hate my brain.
That is-
How did my brain do that?
That's great.
Sam and Laura, cousins and founders of the Popcorn Shed, they've been making it quite literally in a shed since 2016, have always appreciated the humble popcorn snack and its power to enhance special moments with friends, family and loved ones.
Fair play.
And their Christmas pudding version does exactly that at Christmas. And again, you can make it yourself. Some caramel, some butter and all of those Christmas spices, you could DIY it.
I buy quite a lot of
That's brilliant.
like gourmet popcorn, and this is right up there with the leading brands. It's very tasty.
B is Love Coco's gingerbread chocolate. You were bang on, it's 71% dark chocolate, so you even got the percentage pretty much spot on, but gingerbread.
Okay.
No.
If you eat the little bobbles, that's gingerbread. But
There's so much delicious, quite fruity chocolate again, actually.
I've bought some stuff from Love Cocoa before. It's great because every bar you buy, they plant a tree.
The founder, James Cadbury, great-great-great-grandfather was John Cadbury. And he started the business a few years back to try and restart and re-emulate the foundations and the good ethics that John Cadbury started over 200 years ago. They planted over 500,000 trees last year.
Yeah, that's cool.
You what business did his great-great-great-great-grandfather have?
Cadbury.
What do they make?
Chocolate.
Well, now everyone knows.
C is Waitrose pomegranate Turkish delight with pistachio. So taking away the rose water and adding in pomegranate in a nice little gift box.
Really, really nice. Now you said pomegranate, yeah, it's an intense pomegranate flavour.
I'm not a big Turkish Delight fan, but
Neither am I, but I really like those ones. That packs a punch.
Price-wise, the box of Christmas pudding popcorn shed is £2.99. The bar of gingerbread Love Cocoa chocolate is £3.20.
Oh, okay.
And the Turkish Delight, that is in fact pomegranate, is £6 a box. Probably more of the gift market
Yeah.
from Waitrose.
it's Christmas. You might apportion a little bit more budget towards things that you wouldn't do across the rest of the year because it's Christmas. And for that reason, we going sorted seal of approval?
Yeah,
on
I
this?
think so.
Sorted seal of approval goes to,
Christmas pudding popcorn.
but tell your guests what it is before they eat it.
Which I think was exactly the same with the crisps.
Yeah,
and arguably the alcohol too. And therefore it's over to you. You know we love to hear what you think. With those items in mind, would you buy it or would you DIY it?
Plus, Ebbers has been buying loads more Christmas food trends for us to try, so make sure you check out the next episode in a few days' time.
And time is running out for you to grab your Pass It On live tickets. We're doing 3 performances on one day. It's the 16th of December. Make sure you click the link below to get hold of your tickets because they are going fast.
I would say you're not going to want to miss this, but I want to miss it.
I want you to miss this, but you don't want to miss this.
Yeah.
My favourite bit is when they take their blindfolds off, try some food, and then close their eyes.
Yeah, it's trying to identify it. That's really annoying because it must be something.